Daddy? Guys, over. Before you drift downstream again, just go under. Or push it up and then leave it. There you go.
How long have you gone?
About 15 minutes. Yeah.
Even longer.
Towels are over there, guys. Or you want to stay in the water, Tommy? Tommy's a smart one. He's staying in the water. Oh, here comes Daddy and Liam. Daddy and Liam. Don't get swept away, Tommy.
I'll go get them. I'm gonna go help them.
You are? Okay. He's coming to help you.
Tommy, I don't think we can beat the current. Tommy, get him.
Bye, Tommy. Well, come on, let's go.
You want me to go get him?
Go to the side.
I'll go get him. I'll go get him.
All right, go get him, Molly. The rescuer needs rescuing.
The water temperature is warmer than the air temperature.
Yeah. How was that, Liam? Was that fun?
Hey, no. I need you to get out. You're trying